Australian Open organisers appear intent to move on from the tournament's controversial lead-up. But it seems the crowd hasn't forgotten. This was the first public appearance of Tennis Australia boss Craig Tiley since Novak Djokovic was sent home.
We've addressed that and we're moving on. We're focusing on the event and delivering a great 2 weeks of tennis.
The court today revealed why it upheld Immigration Minister Alex Hawke's decision, saying it was not irrational to conclude the tennis star's apparent anti-vaccination stance may encourage rallies and protests, which could lead to heightened community transmission.
It's interesting that the court used the word something like young and impressionable people. So they really did also focus on younger people as being particularly impressionable by an iconic tennis star.
Reports are emerging from Europe that Novak Djokovic is preparing to sue the Australian government over the visa scandal. The ABC has contacted his team for comment.
In his case, he didn't do the 2-week quarantine, and in his case, he came to Australia, ran the gauntlet of our judicial and legal system.
Authorities say sports stars like surfing champion Kelly Slater, who is reportedly unvaccinated, will also face problems with entry.
Kelly Slater will be well advised to acquaint himself with the rules with respect to our immigration policies, our biosecurity laws and our vaccination position.
I think it's important that there's clarity from the Commonwealth Government about who gets in and who doesn't. So that is a good thing.
Those currently competing are acutely aware of the ongoing risk of the pandemic and have questioned the arrangements in place.
I think quite a few players had it when they arrived. Quite a few players, I think, have it now. We are not getting tested, so I think if we would get tested, there would be probably more positives than there are now.
Coming into Australia, every single player had to do a test. Then between day 5 and 7, they had to do a test. We have testing clinics set up both at the hotel and here.
Tennis Australia says players have access to daily rapid antigen tests and testing clinics at their hotel. Amy Bainbridge, ABC News, Melbourne.